Welcome back to Clean Design, where we explore the exciting world of graphic design. In today's video, we're diving into the art of creating captivating logos that leave a lasting impression. So grab your sketchbook and let's get started. Today we're going to unravel the secrets behind crafting remarkable logos. A logo is more than just a visual symbol. It's the face of a brand, conveying its values and personality to the world. From the golden arches of McDonald's to the iconic swoosh of Nike, we encounter logos every day that have become synonymous with the brands they represent. But what makes a logo truly exceptional? Let's break it down. Step 1. Research and ideation. Before putting pen to paper or pixel to screen, it's crucial to understand the brand's identity and target audience. Research their values, mission, and competitors to gain insights that will shape your design process. Step 2. Sketching concepts. Grab your trusty sketchbook and let your creativity flow. Explore various shapes, symbols, and typography options that capture the essence of the brand. Remember, this is the stage where you can experiment freely. Step 3. Digital exploration. Now that we have a few strong concepts on paper, it's time to bring them to life using design software. I'll be using Adobe Illustrator today, but feel free to use your preferred design tool. Step 4. Refining and iterating. This is where we polish the rough edges and refine our design. Play with different color schemes, typography combinations, and alignments until you find the perfect balance. Step 5. Versatility and scalability. A logo should be adaptable across different mediums and sizes, from websites to billboards. Test your design in various contexts to ensure it remains visually impactful and recognizable. And there you have it. Our journey from concept to a visually stunning logo is complete. Remember, the process of creating logos is both an art and a science, with each element intentionally chosen to convey a brand's unique identity. Thank you for joining me today on Your Channel Name. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more graphic design content. And as always, stay inspired and keep designing. Subscribe to Clean Design for weekly design tutorials, tips, and inspiration.